Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve an issue with your Windows update, or particularly when you are trying to start or restart your computer and it's giving you this option guys to update and shut down or update and restart. So basically it is just means I want you to update and shut down or update and restart your computer. So if you go to start menu option, whenever you go to start power option, that will be shown as shutdown and update and restart. You just need to click on update and restart it guys, and after restarting your problem has been resolved guys, and you just need to click on the restart update and restart it guys. Hopefully that can able to resolve a problem. But if you still having issue, go to search menu and type troubleshoot, open it. Click on other troubleshooters and click Windows Update Troubleshoot to run guys. After finishing this, you need to check for Windows Update issues. Click yes and close the troubleshooter guys. On left side, you need to select Windows Update, attempt to update once again, and click check for updates, and whatever listed over here, you just need to update it all. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.